Hello, everybody, and welcome to Tracy's Gardening Chronicles with Passionately Intrigued Arts. Got a piece of soil here, just a little bit on the side of my back porch that I'm going to try to prepare so that I can put some vegetables in the ground. Listening to PJs for Everyone. I was listening this Thursday. I was listening to Miss Shirley's OG Gardner, and she had a couple panel guests up there, CC's and Janet's Cruising. So CC's Texas Gardner and Janet Cruising. So I had her on, listening to them as I work this ground. Got my tiller out, handheld tiller, and I'm turning this dirt. Actually, it's not dirt. Well, it is dirt, but I'm turning it was packed with mulch. I used to have flowers in this area. So it's packed with mulch and packed down really good. So I'm trying to get all this up with my rake after I till it to kind of break it up some. I'm just going to rake it all to one side and I'm going to put it underneath that little porch. I'm not going to get rid of it because I can probably use it in the garden once I start planting. So my ideal is to soften this dirt, get all this mulch up, and as you see, I'm pushing it under the porch.
Yeah, I'm on the southeast side of Houston, so, yeah. All right, y'all keep popping in and out, but I can hear your conversation, even though you're freezing going out, I can hear y'all talking. Well, you think you're freezing on us, so that's all. You keep freezing on us.
The ground is really hard, and it has a lot of rocks, and it's kind of like clay. There's a lot of clay in it and a lot of rocks, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. I will probably put some compost on top of it, some manure or something, and some more soil, and mix it in before I start planting. And it's already July. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in here. I know I could still do cucumbers, squash. Maybe I'll transplant some of my smaller containers over here. Not sure yet. Just getting started on this project to put some veggies in the earth. Okay, David Corey Crop. Yeah, he suggested that I put something in the ground. So here I go.
Yeah, it's crazy here. Oh my goodness, it just feels good to just be free.
I truly appreciate all you gardeners out there. You have inspired me to take this journey, and I'm actually loving it. It breaks the monotony for me, gets me up out of the house to enjoy some of this weather and do something I'm loving, and then I can grow what I eat what I grow. I've learned so much from each and every one of you.
Yeah, his outside garden floor was nice. Wait, man, I got this one check. We know what you mean too.
And I'm still learning. I'm learning every day. I do my research. I watch a lot of YouTube channels
No.
with all the
They're real. No, what do you say?
different types of
I say, boy, I say.
gardening that's going on out there,
No,
and a
longhorn
vast
nose. Yeah, no,
variety
chicken
of
hawk is
different
real.
people that
Yeah,
I
it do.
watch.
Yeah, it amazes people when they go in the park and they see different birds and stuff.
We
I
don't
never
have
knew how
a
many
long
people
growing
are really
season
oblivious to
as I
nature
am in
itself.
Michigan.
You
And
know,
so I'm
when you hear
going
people
to
talk about
take
it, you look
advantage
at
of
it like,
these
you
next
want to
few
say,
months to
really?
see what I
But
can
then you have to
produce.
figure out, you know, they either they're
And
living
then
a
we'll start all over
sheltered
next year.
life, or they don't go any further than the house and the store and back. So I, you know,
It
like
was
I got a
enjoyable
membership at the
listening
Botanical
to
Gardens,
Miss
and as
Shirley,
long as you
OG
have
Gardener.
a membership,
I
you
got
can go to
quite a
any
few
botanical
tips.
garden in the USA for free. Oh, that's nice. I'm walking. I don't need to lose weight.
I'm repurposing these wire squares. It was from a I don't know what you call it thing, a shelving unit, not a shelving unit. I don't know, a container shelving unit. Anyway, whatever it was, I had taken it apart and it's been in my basement for several years. So I'm just using my rubber mallet, repurposing these and trying to hammer them down into the ground a couple inches. But like I said, there's a lot of rocks and clay in this area, so I wasn't able to get that one down quite yet. And I'm going to till it a little bit, break up those rocks that are down in there, and keep it moving.
But your temperature is like, excuse me for cutting you off, Cheryl, but you said your temperature is only like 59 degrees there now? Oh, I'm sorry, I stand corrected. Okay, all right. Oh,
If you're not subscribed to Miss Shirley OG, go over there and check her out. You gather a lot of information. It is a nice community, and all the homesteaders, farmers, and gardeners come in and share. Such a nice community, such a nice community. And if you are subscribed to her and others, bravo, good for you. So glad that I have been introduced to this community. I'm going to connect each of these pieces together with two of these zip ties that I got from the Dollar Tree. I had a momentarily uh, brain fart. Momentary brain fart. Is that how you say it? I couldn't think of zip tie. Anyway, and anywho, I'm using two for each one to connect these together. The conversation was interesting. This is GT Jr. who came up on the panel. And then later on, our dear friend, Broke Farmer, came up. And he is so hilarious. As you can see, I started the fencing on the opposite side of this cable wire that is in my way. So I'm losing about 2 feet of dirt. I didn't want to pound into that wire. I did at one point and realized that it's buried under that dirt. So maybe I'll throw some flowers over on that side. Flower seeds.
but you know what? Onions, there's two ways you can do them. You can grow them from seed, which will take maybe a year or two,
Miss
or you can
Cheryl came up on the
support,
panel as
and you get
well.
the ones where you buy the
Cheryl
bulbs
Faulkner.
and you know the little starts and grow them from there. So yeah, because people think that if they plant seeds for onions this year, they're gonna have onions this year. Okay, but do you leave them outside? I mean, now we get cold. We don't get well, we get snow or what they call snow. But can they stay outside? Because I don't want to bring. I got enough people in my house. Hey, leave them outside. Yeah, that's what you know. I mean, they're gonna be above ground. Mine ain't gonna be in the ground because I don't have no ground. I got concrete behind my house. Well, right now I'm getting ready to do a video. I
And the next voice you'll hear is that of our dear friend, Broke Farmer.
So this ain't night well. Now, see, you said house night is your night. I said PJs. This is my PJs. I got my drawers on under this. So, oh, and flowers. They know a lot about flowers. So that's why, they don't, people in those offices don't know about these things. People never call for it. The lifespan lasagnas survive a 40 below. So did you plant them in the fall and then leave them in there? They came up in the summer and then winter again and then they came up again. GT, I'm gonna give you some bad advice, GT. This is one of my crazy opinions. We plant onions in the wait. Are you planting onions to eat or fresh fruit? To eat. I already did it. I already did it, man. I'm just talking about my experience. But I want to hear your bad advice, though. Yeah. Now you plant. Well, down here where I'm at, we plant onions around November, and then we harvest them right now, or probably the end of last month. So that's no pest pressure for the summertime. So I'm gonna plant onion seeds probably tomorrow, and go for it. Yeah. It's different in Georgia though. Well, I know how this is. It's straight from seed. I didn't put bulbs down. The onions I put in silver seeds. Oh, matter of fact, these are the ones I'm gonna plant. I got those. I got onion seeds too. So yeah. You just, like I said, you did his for 2 years. Well, you planted them in fall, let them grow, and then die back and left them outside, and they came back, and then he got them. He planted in spring 2022. Yeah, I mean, I guess you can do that too, but first off, I don't believe in soft neck or hard neck garlic. I mean, I'm gonna plant in fall. I'm gonna plant what I want to plant. I don't care about soft or hard neck. I don't care. Look, these right here, I wasn't supposed to plant down here, but these are the same ones that got the 3-pound onions I harvested. Well, see, I don't know the difference between soft and hard neck. Now, what I do have garlic back there now, but it's garlic from the store. That's what I heard that. But all onions need to go through the stratification process, right? Yeah. So before you pull them, if they get some cold, whether you plant them in the summertime or in the fall, what difference it make? Yeah. I know I'm blowing your mind on this. Slow down. That's why I'm asking. I just put stuff in the ground. I didn't even pay attention when I did it. Yeah. I mean, I just harvested my onions, but I don't eat onions, so if I'm planting onions for pest pressure, why am I planting them in fall? By the time I harvest them, that's when the bugs come out. So you plant them in the spring and you harvest in the fall, or you harvest them? This is my first year trying this. I planted them last year in the fall. I just pulled them up, but I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna plant onions.
Please tell me what you think and what I should be planting in this area. Not a whole lot, but enough for something. Keep in mind, I'm in Michigan, and we only have until November. As always, thanks for watching and much love. Peace.